Good morning. So here we are working on this Harley tank. It's a 5-gallon. We stretched it, did the welding, pressure checking, a little bit of plastic filler to finish up the seams, and we've primed it 3 times now, going 80, 180. First time cut it with 120, then come back with 180, and hit it this morning with 400 dry. And thought I'd show you how I like to finish them up. 600 wet, and the problem is it's all curves, so a block has to flex to go around these curves. And so this is a flexible pad in here, going 600, and something like this. 2 angles, cut it each way. Got a little guide coat on there. And do the whole tank. Probably only take half an hour, maybe a little longer. Should be ready for paint. And see if we can get this black a little later today. So thought I'd show you this. There you go. Little sponge, bucket of clean water. That's all it takes. End up looking something like this. So have a nice day.